Hi guys, postman's bin. I think we can guess what this is. Lithium ion battery. It's actually a replacement battery for my wife's laptop, which has decided it doesn't want to be charged anymore. I might do a video on replacing the cells in that battery at some time, but in the meantime I thought I'd buy a new one just in case I don't get it right when I try to replace the cells in the old one. Relatively cheap. This one was only about £16, which probably means it's a second-hand one or a refurbished one. But if that gets us working for another year, because it has a year's guarantee on it, then I'll be quite happy, because I expect we'll want to upgrade the laptop in a year's time. It actually needs upgrading now, but it'll have to wait a year or so before we can do anything. What's it tell us on the end? Replacement laptop battery for FU BP 250T382. Lithium ion, 10.8 volts. Colour black. Capacity 5,200 milliamp hours. Made in China. It's not really going to be very much to look at, to be honest. Just a laptop battery. Well, it's got seals all the way around it, so if it is a refurbished one, they've put new seals on it. I'll go and grab my wife's laptop and see if we can fit it. Obviously it'll need charging before we can use it. Let's see if we can actually get the old one out. That slides across. It doesn't want to slide across. Go on, slide across. Oh no. Got to do that, haven't we? Push that, and then it slides across easily. And then it sort of flicks out somehow. Just get a little bit gentle. Yeah, there we go. So there we go. That's the old one. Yeah, those little tags line up with those tags down there. So it should fit in. There we go. So that's in. I'll go and stick it on charge and see if it charges. Oh, I suppose we could just try powering it up and see what happens. Oh, light came on. It's got some power in it. Yeah. Oh well. It looks like at least we get power up, but I will go and put it on charge and get it charged up. Well, that's fairly typical. It's doing some sort of update anyway. Always the way, isn't it? If you haven't used it for a little while. Well, we've got the orange light up at the moment, which indicates it's charging. Well, it's obviously detected that I've changed the battery. Fujitsu battery charging control update tool. Please apply BIOS update. I wasn't expecting this. Have to have a think about that. I don't like any of my information being transferred anywhere for whatever reason. Well, I've had a think. I guess I might as well go for it. Got nothing to lose except my personal information on this laptop. So we'll see. Well, that's fairly typical. The battery on the camera is about to die as well. So we might lose a bit of this. Right. Well, I'm going to change the battery on the camera now while it's doing that. Right. Well, it appears to have done it. Well, that's what it says now. I suppose I should have had a look at it before we actually changed the old battery out. But the simple point was it wouldn't take any charge at all. As soon as you unplugged it, the laptop switched off. So we're charging anyway. I might move the laptop out the way and we'll have a look and see if we can get the old battery apart.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.